Previously on the Journey HQ.
I'm running up that hill.
I think he has wrapped the strap around the bumper. This is probably something we should have done. Help me, Lord.
Another day here at the Journey HQ. Me and Russell are working on Crusty down here. We are trying to get it ready for the new owner. We sold it. I don't know how many times I've said that, but
It's okay to be happy about that.
yeah, I mean, it's all right.
Hey, we sold Crusty, guys.
Russell's not excited. He was wanting to keep it. He was starting to love it.
I was, because I spent some time in it.
Yeah, I mean, I like it just the way it sits with the camper. So does the new owner. He likes the camper, so that's why he's wanting to keep it. But we're gonna drop it a couple more inches in the back. We're changing out the rotors. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those today. We've had those turned a couple times and they just still something seems to be not right with them. And so we're just gonna buy brand new rotors and put those on. I've already changed the O2 sensors to try to fix a code. Russell is doing the great, you know, it's probably the best job you could ever have on this truck.
But last time I did it, he was like, "You're a professional." I said, "No, professional comes with repetition.
And so now you're making yourself a professional.
I'm a journeyman now."
So he's rebuilding the vent windows, which sucks. It's the worst job ever.
But it is a mile cheaper to rebuild them than to buy the pre-built ones. If you got the scratch, buy the pre-builts.
Yeah, it's like, we're gonna put it up on the screen what the difference is. I'm gonna look up all the parts and the pieces of how much you can rebuild it for and how much you can buy a full unit if you can find the full just vent window.
Yeah. There's a company, I think, that was at C10s in the park.
Yeah, Josh
they sell them.
Yeah. Josh bought some for his truck, and then I heard somebody else bought some for their truck.
But, you know, it's doable on your own. Somebody put them together originally.
Yeah, but anyways, we're doing all that stuff today. We're gonna bring y'all along. We're gonna do a podcast as well at some point. We're gonna get up there in the office and talk. So if y'all haven't checked out our podcast, y'all can go look at our podcast, and we talk about all sorts of stuff. Doesn't just have to do with cars, it has to do with Game of Thrones and everything. We're also gonna be talking about something that we're going to be getting started is like a car hangout meet. We have a few here going on in Palestine. Not a lot of people show up. And so we're wanting to create something. It's not a car show, it's a car hangout. You can come, doesn't matter what kind of car you've got. If you've got a Ford Mustang, you got a C10 truck, you've got an import, whatever it is, Subaru.
No import.
Imports can come. I love imports. I've had several imports. So whatever.
The imports can come. I'm just playing. I'm just
Mini
teasing
trucks,
you guys.
mini trucks can come,
All the
lowriders.
mini trucks can come.
Yeah, everybody can come, hang out. We're gonna do it in a part of town where there's some restaurants, businesses, some
Food, entertainment.
all sorts of stuff in this area that we can all meet at and hang out. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be a really fun time for the city of Palestine. And, you know, that way we can have somewhere to hang out, us car guys.
Yeah, and we want to see the rides, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I want to see some people from around the other area come.
There's so many rides around this
lot of people
this
have.
area, and they don't bring them out. So we want people to bring their rides out and enjoy them. So anyways, let's get to work. We'll see y'all. Rambling on for ever. Ramble on! But we're gonna get to work now. I got the rotor off, and now Russell's been packing us a little to-go bag of tools. Look at all those tools we got.
We're going to an undisclosed location to steal a part.
We're stealing it?
I mean, we're not stealing it. We're not paying for it.
All
I just
right.
know a guy who said we could have it.
Oh, well, that's cool. All right, so we're gonna go get some hangers. Is that what we're getting?
Hangers.
Hangers for the C10 so we can install the flip kit.
Go bag, buddy.
What is that?
A pry bar.
That's a screwdriver, dude.
Yeah, that's
The world's largest screwdriver.
it is, but I got it. I bet I've had this 20 years.
You've had that screwdriver 20 years.
I bet I've had it 20 years. Somebody gave it to me from one of them crappy tool sale things, and I thought it was the dumbest thing ever.
And you've used it the most.
I've used it so much, so much. And it's metal all the way through, so you can hit it with a hammer.
Oh, cool.
It looks dumb, but it's been handy.
Yeah. Hey, are you hungry?
Ooh, 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 and I got another thing.
What do you got?
So-
Another thing? What do you got?
Remember I said we needed to go get a tool. We needed a roll pin tool
Oh, yeah,
to knock these pins out. Well, amongst your chaos of snap-on tools over there out of that box,
We had something.
we had something, but it's a little bit big.
So you're gonna grind it down.
Yeah, but it says snap-on it, so it's gonna I'm gonna grind down a snap-on tool. Because we need a roll pin tool to knock these pins out of these vent windows.
Oh, you're gonna grind that down?
You wanna buy one and save the snap-on?
No. We're chopping up snap-on.
I'm gonna put it in the drill press and make it nice and round.
It's gonna be all nice.
But it certainly does say snap-on on it.
All right.
Here's to you, snap-on guys.
He's saying that because he thinks that the snap-on people are gonna get mad.
Yeah.
That we're gonna tear up a snap-on tool.
I only got a handful of snap-on tools.
Yeah, I don't have any, hardly. Besides what came in these toolboxes.
It's like the Versace of tools.
Oh, it's like the name brand, the one everybody wants.
Yeah.
Like when you
if you're
talk
a
about
woodworker, you know, it's like Festool.
Oh, yeah.
But if you're a mechanic it's Snap-on.
I like the gear wrench.
I like the gear wrench
Gear
stuff.
wrench,
they make everything too.
Sonic.
And they're affordable. And the gear wrenches themselves, I bet Snap-on copied gear wrench.
Why?
Because I think gear wrench had the nice style gear wrenches first.
Really?
I think so.
What's going on, guys? This is Chase and Russell from the future, and speaking of gear wrench, they actually reached out to us and asked us if we would review some of their tools and give our honest review, and I said, heck yeah.
We kind of got to pick. We wanted some standard stubby sockets, and that's what they sent us, and this 120 XP flex head locking gear wrench ratchet. And we've been using this one. What do you think about it so far?
I've been using that. The thing's awesome. I like the flexibility of the head, and we're gonna review these and do a full review on our channel. So hope y'all stick around and look for our future content. While you're at it, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. That really helps out. Oh yeah, and we sell merch. Yeah, help this channel out. If y'all are liking what we're doing, we'd appreciate it if you help out. Buy some merch. Watch our channel, give us a like.
And do what makes you happy, guys.
Yes, sir. Who knows? There's a lot of tool people out there that can tell you that they know everything about the tools.
They do, and I don't. I'm just talking out of my...
All right, let's go get this stuff, man. We're at the undisclosed location to where
Undisclosed location.
The hidey hole where there is a junkyard of cars, cool cars.
Yeah, not a whole bunch, but just a handful.
Yeah, and so Russell's gonna steal this
The
hanger.
hangers.
Yeah, the hanger off this truck, and
The front leaf spring hangers.
that's what we're doing.
Yeah, we're gonna get to do some grinding. So we got battery powered grinder out here.
You bring enough batteries?
I brought 5 batteries.
That should be enough.
6 batteries.
That should be enough.
So, but you know how our luck goes with batteries.
All right, well, while he
Come on.
does that, I'm gonna show y'all around.
Check it out.
Russell, while I was making TikToks and filming all these cool cars out here,
I'm sweating.
he's the muscle, I'm the good looks.
Well, you got the good, I mean, I'll take the good looks thing. I thought you were gonna say something else.
The drill's going.
It's a ghost.
I was like, what is that noise? Oh man. What do you think I was gonna say, Russell?
I don't know. You're the brains.
Oh God! We're about to get out of here. We're going back to the shop. It's gonna take us probably at least an hour to get out of here. Out this dirt road, down that long path to Palestine.
Dusty roads.
Take me home,
To East Texas,
where I belong.
where the jackalope roam.
We don't have no damn jackalopes. What is a jackalope?
That's that thing from America's Funniest Videos.
Probably toothpaste.
Remember?
Yes, the little rabbit with the little
With deer
antlers.
horns.
Why was that on America's Funniest Home Videos?
It was, I don't know, it was just a character. I'm sure it's like folklore, bull stuff.
Bull
corn. It's corn!
Let's get back to the shop. Bye. You about to clean those up?
They're clean.
You're not gonna paint them?
I'm gonna put rust treatment on them, let them sit for 24 hours and paint them tomorrow.
All right, I guess I'm gonna go put this brake rotor on since we got it. I'm not doing anything, standing around looking good, looking pretty.
Boy, those thumbnails are getting accurate.
What's the big head?
Yeah, we need to start shrinking mine and make yours bigger.
I'm just messing around. But anyways, I'm gonna put this rotor on. Let's go get to it. Now I gotta put the caliper on. And I'm done with this side, and we're just waiting on O'Reilly's to bring us our other rotor. And we'll move on to the other side.
What are we moving on to next?
Then we're gonna put on the drop kit. Back, right?
That's right.
Got it.
You got it?
Hi!
Sounded like you got it.
That hurt. That pinched my finger. But luckily, luckily it didn't get me too bad. Woo! Hey, where are my damn gloves at? I know I wear gloves for a reason. Dude, why is this not lining up? Oh. Yeah, I might have to compress it. Why are you not going to?
You gotta go in with the top and bottom evenly.
There it is.
That helped?
Man, Russell, I don't know what the hell I'd do without you. Because that made all the difference in the world.
How do I live without you? I want to know. Who sang that? Is that Leanne Rhymes or Kelly Clarkson or something?
Somebody, dude, I don't know. That's the wrong way. I feel like the sucker's just spinning and spinning and spinning.
You gotta get it in there all the way before the threads grab.
It's in there all the way.
If it was in there all the way, the threads would be grabbing.
Yeah, they're not grabbing. There it is. Maybe. No. Oh, this is a pain in my butt. I figured out what I was doing wrong. I was going backwards.